Which mid-drive electric bike is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Yasma IN10 electric dirt bike. Let's kick things off with the Yasma IN10 electric dirt bike. This beast features a 3000 W peak mid-drive motor and a price point of $1,199. What really caught my attention is its ability to reach speeds of 40 mph, making it perfect for thrill seekers. If you want an adrenaline rush combined with off-road capabilities, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The powerful 3000 W motor means you can tackle steep inclines and rugged terrains without breaking a sweat. Plus, with a range of up to 45 miles on its 48V 23.4 Ah battery, you can ride longer without worrying about running out of juice. The full hydraulic disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power on tricky trails, and the all-terrain suspension system makes for a comfortable ride over bumps and rocks. Now, some people complained about the initial setup, saying the brakes and wheels require careful installation. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to invest a little time up front, the performance you get in return is so worth it. This is perfect for you if you love off-roading and crave speed. Skip this one if you're just looking for a casual ride around the neighborhood. For $1,199, you're getting a solid machine that delivers adventure. Now, if the initial setup hassle bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, GWEIT electric bike for adults. Next up is the GWEIT electric bike for adults, which comes in at a more budget-friendly $599.99. With a 2500 W peak motor and a top speed of 36 mph, this bike is no slouch either. If you want both power and affordability, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. That 2500 W peak power combined with a torque-heavy design means you can easily handle steep hills, making it great for both commuting and off-roading. The removable 48V 20 Ah battery gives you an impressive 65-mile range, so you can ride longer without having to recharge too often. Plus, the dual suspension and upgraded dual disc brakes mean you'll feel safe and secure no matter where your adventures take you. Now, some users mention that the bike can feel a bit heavy, especially when maneuvering it off the bike rack. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for stability and comfort over lightweight design, this is not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable bike for both city commuting and off-road adventures. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight for easy transport. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who crave speed. Product number 3, Yasma IN10 Pro electric dirt bike. Coming in at number 3 is the Yasma IN10 Pro electric dirt bike, priced at $1,849.01. With a massive 5500 W peak motor and a speed of up to 50 mph, it's designed for serious riders. If you're after peak performance, this is worth a serious look. Plus, the 60V 27 Ah battery ensures a range of 60 miles. That intelligent battery management system optimizes performance while preserving battery life, so you can focus on the ride. The hydraulic disc brakes and a high-quality suspension system ensure a smooth and safe ride, whether you're on rocky paths or cruising down the highway. Some customers did raise concerns about the bike's weight, suggesting it can be cumbersome at times. But here's the thing, if you value power and speed over lightweight design, it's a worthy trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're an experienced rider looking for high performance in rugged conditions. Skip this one if you're new to e-bikes and want something more manageable. At $1,849.01, it's an investment in adrenaline-filled adventures. Product number 4, ESKUTE electric dirt bike. Our fourth pick is the ESKUTE electric dirt bike, priced at $599. This bike packs a punch with a 3500 W peak motor and can hit speeds of 38 mph. If you want solid performance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Why does this matter? It's equipped with a 48V 23 Ah battery that offers a 53-mile range, so you can keep riding without frequent stops. The nitrogen-filled dual shock absorbers keep things smooth, even on rough terrain, preventing shock failure during intense rides. But some users mention that the bike's design feels a bit basic compared to others. Here's the thing. If performance is your priority and you're willing to sacrifice some aesthetics, that's a minor drawback. This is perfect for you if you want a high-performance bike for thrill-seeking without a hefty price tag. Skip this one if you're looking for high-end features and a flashy design. For $599, it's a solid choice for budget-conscious riders. Now, if you want a great all-around performer, the final bike on our list fits the bill perfectly. Product number 5, TSD Electric Bike for Adults. Last but not least is the TSD Electric Bike for Adults, coming in at $599.99. With a 1500W peak motor and a range of 60 miles, it's a great option for those looking for reliable performance. If you want a versatile bike for both commuting and adventure, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters. The 1500W motor provides a good balance of power for daily commuting while still handling off-road terrains effectively. The 48V15Ah removable battery charges relatively quickly, which is perfect for busy lifestyles. The dual suspension and fat tires make it smooth over bumps, and the additional features like a 7-speed gear system offer personalization for various terrains. Some reviews pointed out that the bike is a bit heavy for some users, which can make it tricky to ride uphill. But here's the thing. If you're focused on a sturdy, reliable bike that can handle different environments, the weight isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile and reliable bike for both city and trail riding. Skip this one if you need something lightweight and nimble. For $599.99, it provides excellent value for money given its features. So there you have it, the top 5 mid-drive electric bikes that offer a range of features and prices to suit different needs. Whether you want speed, affordability, or versatility, there's something here for everyone. Just remember to consider your riding style and preferences before making a choice.